really bored. You guys got any plans of what we can do today? Well, considering that we stole the eggs and failed, we could probably try to steal them. No! If I did, I wouldn't trust you two again. I'd probably send someone much more supervised, like Helmet Pig. My name's Corporal, sir. Whatever. Leonard, I'm so bored. I'm sorry, honey, but there's nothing I can do about it. Yeah, Leonard, she's bored. Shut up before I kill you. Sorry. Anyway. You know, surprisingly, this has been the normalest day of the year. I mean, no explosions have been going on. No birds have come to attack us for no reason. No knives have been thrown. Nobody's been killed. It all seems a bit odd that everything's normal. Wait. Huh? It's like I'm looking into a mini-me mirror. Same as you, buddy. Man, even when I'm older, I'm still hot. I know. Yeah. But wait. If you're younger than me, I don't understand this. Where did you come from? I came through a portal, didn't you just see? See, sir, now the day is normal again. Hold on. Something's not right. Why are you here? There's only one King Pig. Well, there's not only one King Pig in the universe, is there? There's two now. Plus, I got my own army of pigs. Hi, sir. Okay. Hold up. This is all way too confusing for me. Slow down. Why are you here? And why are all of your pig mumbo jumbo? And why do I not have a wife? Oh yeah, because you're younger than me. But why don't I have my wife there? Why don't I have my chef there? And why don't I have my main army general? You see, I don't know any of these pigs. Well, besides this minion pig over here and this foreman. But I don't know, besides that, I don't know any of the other ones. My corporal pig died. Wait, hold up. You're saying that I died in a different universe? Yeah, basically. But it was all because of the birds. Of course, why wouldn't I suspect that? But wait. The birds would never kill us. True, but because the birds attacked us, I kind of sort of had a backup plan that I thought would work, but sort of didn't, because one bird survived, and, you know, us three pigs survived besides you. But anyway, that's not the point! Just tell me why you're here. I'm here because I came to make a compromise with you, older me. And what's that compromise exactly? You see, from what I can gather, there's something going on in the multiverse, something very, very wrong, that has been killing a bunch of pigs for no reason, all due to one effect, some event that happens randomly in some type of multiverse. When a specific thing happens, that kills everyone, and there's only one survivor. You see all these pigs besides the two that I just showed you? Yeah? All of them are survivors of an attack. None of them even know each other. And it was all because of the birds. And what do we get out of it? Well, you see, Leonard, I can do more than just rule an army. You see, I have the power of teleportation. Keep going. Hear me out. You see, we can rule the remaining multiverses and universes left in this world. That way, you won't have more than just eggs to be proud of. You'll have the entire world in your hands. Of course, I will sub-rule, though, since I'm younger than you, and you're basically me, but since you're older, you will rule. And how do you know this will work exactly? Trust me, Leonard. Anything is possible with the power of magic. And a little help. Spiritual help, that is. Okay. But will we get to kill the birds? That's what I've been trying to figure out. You see, I don't know if there are birds still remaining or not, if it's just us. Well, our birds are still alive. I've been tracing around this entire island. I've traced around Bird Island, Piggy Island, even the third island that's just made out of ice. Nothing. Seriously? No birds? Yeah. So, I've come to two conclusions. One, they have died. Or two, they have also been figuring out how to start this type of rebellion thing. And there are more birds on the way, and chaos will spread! But that isn't very likely. Okay. So what you're trying to tell me is that we will rule. Yes. Let's suppose it is our new era. I like the sound of that. And considering that you have magic on your side, I believe that this will be happening soon. What do you say, older me? We got a deal? Deal. So wait, we will combine forces, right? Yeah. Even though my army's smaller than yours. So we're gonna get to live happily ever after? Yes, my honey. Yay! Whoa. I got a wife in the future? Well, fiancé for right now. We still haven't planned out our wedding. Yes, I see. Hello, future fiancé. Hello. She's hot. I know. Anyway, we should probably get going. But how do we get out of here? I told you I had teleportation powers. Listen next time. Oh, yeah. Everyone get ready.